Le fungala'au, the flower, o fungala'au, flowers, the flowers. The word le makes words singular and specific in Samoan. It's the difference between saying the pen, o le peni, the singular specific pen, and pens, o pengi, a specific set of multiple pens. Then there's a pen, o se pengi, some pens, o ni pengi, my pen, o lau pengi, her pen or his pen, o langa pengi, and then there's a whole bunch of other ones. So words like le and ni and se, they limit whether the noun is singular or plural, specific or non-specific, or the type of possession that it is. But le specifically is why words like usos and teines, those are slang words, because in Samoan, there's no such thing as putting an S on the end of a word to make it plural. We just take out the limiter if we want it to be a plural word, or put a plural limiter on it, but that's a whole nother topic. I got this topic and hundreds of other classes and videos at titlefortalk.com. Go check it out.